Good morning, Mister.
Good morning, please.
I'm Mr. Angga.
Okay, I'm okay. Can I have you?
Then I'm from Frankfurter PT Purnama Logistik.
Yes. Can I have you?
I have a cargo table, 30 units to send from Tanjung Mas, Semarang,
Yes.
to Sydney, Australia. I want to schedule a ship. Do you have a schedule ship to service about mechanical to send in Sydney, Australia?
Okay, I repeat your information. You have 30 unit of tables and will be shipped from Semarang
Yes, Tanjung Mas.
to Sydney, Australia.
Yes.
Okay. Before I see you about the rate and about the schedule of my ship, I will ask you for where the exporting, where the exporting, where the location.
Simpang 5,
The exporting at this point.
Simpang 5, Street MH Tamrin,
Okay. Simpang 5
MH Tamrin.
and MH Tamrin, right?
Yes, Simpang 5,
MH Tamrin Street. Okay.
Semarang.
Yes.
Number 5. Yes.
Okay. Before I see you about the rate and about the schedule of my ship, can I see the document of your cargo?
Oh, of course. This is a document of cargo. Okay. You can see about this document.
Okay.
About the table.
This is precondition, right?
Yes,
Yes.
of course.
PT Purnama Logistik.
Right.
Your cargo is 30 unit of table.
Yes, of course.
Gross weight 650 kilograms.
Yes.
Measurement 60 meter cubic.
Yes.
Okay.
And from there,
Use 48.
from
Okay. Okay. Before I say deal amount,
yes,
you can see what the schedule of my ship and the rate of my container. This is the rate. Okay. This is the rate of my container, and this is the my vessel. If you
schedule of
yes, this is the schedule of my vessel. If you have the cargo from Semarang to Sydney, Australia, my vessel must use MV Mintaran Gas.
just MV Mintaran Gas.
Yes, because my cargo, my vessel, okay, my
Yes.
vessel, MV Mintaran Gas, at the 22 October must go to Sydney, Australia.
Okay.
So if you have the cargo and now the cargo is ready. Yes, the cargo is ready.
Ready.
Now, okay. My vessel FMRS arrival date at Tanjung Mas Port at 19 October. 19 October will be berthing in Tanjung Mas Port, my vessel. And the 20 October must be sailing. So you must bring your cargo to the terminal port.
20,
Maximal date 22 October.
22. I have a 21.
If 21, I think my cargo, your cargo is very have long time because in MV Mintaran Gas the cargo is many kind of cargo. I'm asking, I'm please you bring your cargo, your container to the new Mascot at 20.
20.
Yes, 20 October.
I must bring cargo in Tanjung Mas.
Yes, you must bring your container, go to inside at 20 October. Can you handle this?
About freight of container,
Yes.
Okay,
If you ship from Semarang to Australia and 40 feet, you will be I will be use 1,400 US dollar. This is the rate. It is full service.
may safety cargo.
Yes. I insure your cargo. Your cargo will be safety from Semarang until Sydney, Australia. From loading port to discharge port. I ask your cargo will be safety. Your cargo will be have keeping. And if your cargo when discharged in Sydney, your cargo is broken, your cargo is missing, I will give you insurance. I will give you insurance about this. I will give you money or you ask for me.
For service.
Yes.
Service, okay. 1,300.
1,500. This is full service.
Okay, no problem. I did.
You agree with the
Okay, no problem.
So you use FOB or CNN?
I have, and I to use C.
CNN, okay? Concentrate, okay? So if you deal with the rate, and the speed of my vessel, I will give you the order and the Yes, please take this. And this document, you can take the container at my depot at Tanjung Mas Port.
Oh yes.
You use 40 feet, right?
Yes.
Yes, 40 feet.
Yes.
Okay. You use 40 feet container.
To
And you can take this container to bring it to export it for the cargo.
Yes.
For stocking cargo. You can take this my container. If you deal about this,
I can take this container is to 20 October.
no. You must take my container at 19 October.
19.
Yes. And you must bring your container at 20 October.
Oh,
At the
yes.
Tanjung Mas Port.
Yes. Okay. This is I sent your
Okay.
when I give you FFE, factor instruction.
Instruction right. Yes.
Is your text is FFE.
Okay. This is written your linguistic.
Yes.
The cargo will be shipped from Semarang to Sydney, Australia.
Yes. Right.
Mr. Anda, this is cargo or this is my vessel. The date 22 October must be sailing.
Okay.
But from Semarang, from Tanjung Mas Port, not just going to Sydney, but must transit at Singapore.
Transit.
Yes. Because if we shipping cargo from Semarang, must transit at Singapore. Exactly, you ship your cargo from Jakarta, Tanjung Priok.
From Semarang.
From Semarang, it cannot be. So must transit at Singapore. I will give you this information because at Semarang to Sydney,
How long?
destinasi the cargo, the vessel, yeah, 15 days. 15 days. 15, not so long, just 15 or 16 days.
Okay.
Because the route not so just to become a Sydney,
Yes.
must transit at Singapore.
Okay, I know.
Okay, any question for me about this container?
I think this is enough.
Okay, it's enough. You deal about the freight, right?
Yeah.
1,040.
Yes, deal. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you very much. I will handle your cargo.
Yes.
And don't forget, you must take my container at 19 October,
Okay.
and you must bring your container with the cargo inside at 20 October.
20.
October. Because my shipping is
22.
maximum.
22, you should go.
Yes. At 22 October, my ship must shipping from Dago, from Semarang to Sydney.
Okay.
Okay. Anything else?
No, I think it's enough.
Okay.
Thank you for this joining.
Okay.
How are
Welcome.
you?
Welcome. I hope this activity not just this at this.
Yes.
So the join activity is continue.
I too.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Angga.